Hey guys, welcome to My's World. It is Friday and this is the 8th day of Vlogmas. I did not vlog yesterday, so I'm not even going to pretend to make up a vlog to fill in because I had like such a really busy day yesterday. But right now I am at this tire place getting ready to get my tire pressure checked because my tire pressure light came on this morning on my rear driver's side tire. So I need to get that checked because I refuse to drive around and think everything is a-okay and then all of a sudden I'm somewhere stranded with a flat or my tire blows while I'm on the highway or something. I really don't have time for that. So yeah, my skin looks so oily right now, but that's okay. I'm so tired. I took some night off because Mother Nature showed up. Mother Nature. And whenever I take night off, it literally makes me feel like I'm high and sleepy. So yeah, exhausted to say the least. I just got off work. I had a short day at work today, which was awesome because I have a long day at work tomorrow. And I just really want to eat and take a nap, and then I gotta start like taking my pictures off the wall because I'm moving, as you guys know, or you know, if you're just tuning in to My's World, then yeah, I am getting ready to move. You guys, I really need to get my nails done, but I'm trying to wait till after I move because no point in me getting them done now and then I might mess around and break one in the process of moving, and then I have to go get it fixed all over again. So I'm just trying to be patient and wait. But this one is cracked on both sides. This one is cracked and this one is cracked. So yeah, and I'm waiting for somebody to move out of my way so I can pull in to have my tires checked. They're moving at the slowest pace known to man, also known as not moving at all. And I have to wait for them to back out for me to pull in. I'm so sleepy. They're all Nissans. Which one? You guys, I'm hungry. I think I want Popeye's chicken and biscuits. I think this is what I'm gonna go get. Some Popeye's chicken and biscuits. Don't mind me, I'm just eating banana nut bread from Starbucks. While wishing I had a bottle of water in the car. This truck just pulled in. Shit was the loudest thing I ever heard in my entire life. Well, I pulled into this thing. I'm so irritated now. Oh, and I'm really irritated because my ex texted me. She's in town. For what hell if I know? I don't care. Just as long as she knows she won't be seeing me. Period. I have no desire to see her. She just texted me. About nothing. I got some food from a place that's here. I sent her a picture of it and she was like, oh, I gotta go. Like, she's one of them people that if you don't recommend some shit, she won't do it. Or just because you do some shit, she will do it. But if you didn't do it, she wouldn't. So she had to make sure she went to this place after I sent her a picture of what I ate. I hope she ate the same shit. Either way, I hope she knows that there's no reason that way me and her will be seeing each other the entire time she's here. Because I was supposed to move this weekend. And she had offered to help. But the people who live in the apartment that I'm moving into were not going to be out in time. So now I'm not moving this weekend. But I already let her know I don't need your help because I'm having movers do it. And so then she was like, well, maybe we can meet up. Why? We're exes. Like, we're not friends. Let shit be. Leave alone. One day she'll figure that out. Until then, I'll keep doing what I do. Am I the only person that has exes who don't know when to let the fuck go? As in, you can be rude and tell them, look, hey, it's a no-go. I don't want to be with you ever again in the history of histories, in the life of all lives, in the world of all worlds. I don't know. Because I have another ex who I've told that and she doesn't give up. She still keeps trying. So, yeah. People are fucking retarded. And they always want me when I don't want their ass no more. Or they do some stupid shit that make me leave their ass. And then they want to come back. Nah, I'm good. Because 9 times out of 10, I gave you extra times to get your shit together with whatever issue I had before I left your ass, and you just chose not to. The fuck you think I'm finna stay for? I'm cool. If you wanted me to stay, you would have got your shit together. Y'all, it is 3 o'clock. I am ready to be home. Like yesterday. Don't you walk away. You still got a job to do, homie. Do I need to turn the car off? Okay. Getting a check now. This seems like an easy ass job. Okay guys, I'm gonna talk later. I'll probably do another vlog to make up for the day I didn't do. And I will chat in a little bit.